Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create new user on Windows 11 or how you can add new user to your Windows 11 PC. So that's been said, let's get started. Now to add new user or create a new user account, simply click on Start button, then click on Settings, and here click on Accounts, and here you will find the option called Family and Other User. Simply click on this option. And here we have an option to add other user. Let me tell you that why you should add new user. Say for example, your Windows 11 PC is being used by 2 persons. Then you can create a separate profile for one user and separate profile for another user. Both the user will have different user settings for their profile. Now to add user or create a new user account, then click on add account. If that person or the user has their Microsoft account, then you can sign in with their Microsoft account, or else you can create a local account where you don't need to add your Microsoft account. For that, simply click on I don't have this person sign in information, and here we have a option add a user without Microsoft account. Simply select this option and here simply name that user. Say for example Ajay, and here enter the password, and here re-enter your password. Here we have some security question. In case you forget your password, then you can answer this security question to enter to your Windows 11 account. So let me select some of this, then click on next. Here you can see we had created a new user account on Windows 11. If you want to change the account setting, then simply click on this drop down icon. Here we have account option, and here we have account and data. If you want to remove this user account, then you can simply click on remove. Or if you want to change the account type, then simply click on change account type, and here you can select your account type. Here we have administrator and standard user. The Coder World is an administrator account of my own, and Ajay is my standard user. So here let me click on OK. Now to change the user of your Windows 11 PC, then simply click on Start button. Here we have our administrator username, that is the Coder World. Simply right click on this administrator username, and here we have the new user, that is Ajay. Let me click on this user. Every time you open your Windows 11 PC, here you have to select your user. Then enter your password. Then click on this arrow icon to log in. Here we have to set some Windows 11 settings for the new user. Here you can see our user has been changed on our Windows 11 PC. So this way you can create a new user or you can add a new user to your Windows 11 PC. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.